Don't cross the street in New York. I just got a $500 ticket. Yes, $500. I am in New York, and I have a big problem. I didn't understand one English word, and now I must pay. Don't make my mistake. Stay with me. The city is beautiful. The lights are bright. I feel happy. I see the street. It is empty. No cars. No taxis. No buses. The light is red. It says, "Don't walk." But I am in a hurry. I walk. I cross the street. Suddenly, my heart drops. I freeze. A policeman is there. He looks angry. He says, "Hey, stop right there." He says, "That is jaywalking." I am shaking. I say, "Sorry, what is jaywalking?" He says, "It is not allowed to cross when the light is red. This is New York." He gives me a ticket. $500. I feel very sad. Now I always wait for the green light. I learned my lesson. Is it strict in your country? Write yes or no in the comments. Don't make my mistake. Follow me to learn English. See you next story. Let's learn. Ticket. You pay money. Illegal. Not allowed. In a hurry. Fast. Jaywalking. Wrong crossing.